Dear students, today I am very much interested to teach you on the importance of words. How words are important in life. As you know, every new word is a new concept. Every new word is a new idea. When we are telling or pronouncing a word failure, it gives a different meaning. When you are using success, it gives a new idea. At the dead of night, when you are coming from any distant place, it is dark night, and the words like God, the Almighty, all powerful, come to your mind. You are very much energetic at that time. If words like ghost, demon, devilish, all negative words come to your mind, it gives you a horror feeling at the time. So, every new word is a new concept, new idea. The more words you have, the more IQ you have, intelligence quotient you have. So, my first question is that if somebody asks you, do you like words? If answer is yes, then watch this video. If the answer is no, I don't like words, then don't watch this video. Once I am telling you that I have been practicing being a wunderkind with words, being a word lover. As in previous videos I have told that every day I love to learn at least 3 to 4 words, and I love reading Word Power Made Easy, Your Normal Lays, Wilfred Funk, and Richard Lederer, Richard Norquist, and newspapers, and your Dale Carnegie, that is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, How to Influence and Influence People. So whenever I read something, I just collect beautiful phrases and words and some more new expressions that appeal me. So what happens? I give immense pleasure. So let us come to the board and see what I have given to you. I have just titled it as a LAN app, that is Lagniappe, that is wrongly pronounced Lagniappe, that is LAN app, means gift, a small gift which is given by a shopkeeper to a customer, a LAN app for word lovers. So first question to you, do you love words? If answer is yes, go forward. If the answer is no, don't go forward, don't watch the video. So at first be a wunderkind, be a word-aholic, word lover. Then I am teaching you how to remember words in an easy manner. That is a foolproof theory or a rule that can help you. You see, if you apply this, you can master many more words. When you master many more words, you will see that miracle will come to your life. You will develop your personality, you will develop your communication facilities, you will have a good personality and image in society. So, 3A's plus R rule. 3A's plus R rule. 1A stands for association. You just look at a word, be a friend with that word, you get associated with the word, you develop an association with that word, then you assimilate in your brain. Then acquisition will come. When acquisition will come, you have to reinforce it. That means you learn a word, you revise it for 3 times, write it for 3 times, and revise and read, revise, repeat, reinforce it for 3 days. And on every Sunday, you revise all the words, 20 words or 30 words that you have learnt in a week, and see the miraculous effects of remembering words, and you will be big success. Words will come to your mind, you will get more academic pleasure. So I think you must be pleased with the sightings that I have made here. You write them down. After that, I will give you some more tricks. Okay, dear learners. You see, I have written here education. You might be understanding why I have written here. Most of the times, you have been asked, we have been asked, tell a word that has 5 vowels. Everybody knows that the word is education. So, you just try to find out another words that have all 5 vowels. That is speculation, A, E, I, O, U. Then regulation, A, E, I, O, U. Outpatient, A, I, O, U. And another word is that is behavior. Why I am telling this? Suppose your friend knows education is the only word that has 5 vowels. You knew all these 4 words. So altogether you knew 5 words having all 5 vowels. So we will be very much spirited. Your friends and relatives will feel happy with you. All credit will go to you. Then just come to your mind, tell me a word that has vowels in alphabetical order. That is abstemious, controlled, restrained, arsenious. And also you find out another words that have vowels in alphabetical order. So tell another word that has vowels in reverse order. A, E, I, O, U. Uncomplimentary. So this how interesting, how interest does it give to you? So you do one thing. So when I am telling you this question, find out a word in which there are all 5 vowels, it gives you interest. If I tell you to remember a word that is megalomaniac, it will not give you any pleasure. So you see, here I have written seed words. Seed. Now I am writing you there are how many words ending with seed? You see, exceed, proceed, succeed, exceed. So how interesting is that? Because here is a big question. Somebody will ask you, tell me what how many words are there in English having ending with CEED? 4 words. So it will give you much more pleasure. So seed words. There is only one word in English that has seed. Supersede. Okay. So how interesting these are to remember. You just write it in your mental pencil and keep indelible in your mind. You see, first of all, I have told you, tell me words that have vowels in alphabetical order. Tell me words that has vowel in reverse order. So how many words are there ending with seed? Now how many words are there ending with seed? That is only one word, supersede. You see, now I am telling you, suppose there is a word, trees, kai, deca, phobia. Phobia means, as you know, that is fear. There are many phobias. How to remember this I am telling. So first you memorize trees. Never go to this portion. Then forget about trees, then come to kai. Forget about kai and trees, come to deca. Then forget about these 3, then come to phobia. Then you do one thing, you don't assimilate. Then you are associated according to 3A. Then trees, kai. These 2 words are assimilated. Then deca, it is assimilated. Then this is phobia. So here comes your tiskai deca phobia. Trees, kai, deca, phobia. Now, suppose I am telling haute quattrophobia. Like this, you first practice haute, then quattro, then aerophobia. First learn ot, then comes quattro, then comes phobia, ot, quattro, phobia. In three ways you have to remember this. Then what is discrete phobia? That is fear of your 13. Then what is ot, quattrophobia? That is fear of 1984. 1984 is a novel from which this word might have come. So write them down. So you break the words in small units, then it will be happier. So I am telling you another thing. Suppose how interest plays a vital role. So suppose I am telling, pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. In this word, there are 26 letters, which is called as pangram. So here is a question. You find out a pangram or a sentence in which there are all the 26 letters. So it will give you immense pleasure. In remembering everything, suppose a small word, as I was telling, Wunderkind. First wunder, then kind, then make it one. So these are the tricks. 3 A's. 3 A's plus R rule. Association, friendship, assimilation, making the friendship stronger. Then your accusation, that is keeping in mind. It will the words will be kept in minds intact, no problem. But you have to reinforce it after revising, repeating again and again on every Sunday. Remember, just make a period of 30 minutes. Revise all the words. Make a folder, or even take a diary and notes on what day, which words you have learnt, and you see the magicality of knowing words more and more and more. So always be a word lover, word aholic, then learn words. Otherwise, suppose you are not interested in physics, somebody will teach you physics, how can you learn? Suppose I am not interested in mathematics, somebody teaches me mathematics, how can I learn mathematics? Somebody teaches me songs, I have no interest in songs, how can I learn? Somebody teaches me dancing, I have no interest in dancing, how can I learn? So be a word lover. This lanyard or a small gift for the word lovers, be a word lovers. You use this 3 A's plus R rule and see the magicality of learning more and more and more and more words. So I think this video will please you. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you much as gracious. Into